Give the center and the radius of the circle whose equation is given by x squared plus y squared minus 6y is equal to 7. Now the first thing to notice is that the x squared is just left alone. So we can actually rewrite this as x minus 0 squared. So the x coordinate of the center is going to be 0. But for the y's, we're not that lucky. We have actually a quadratic term and a linear term. And for this case, we're going to have to complete the square. So, rewriting our formula, we have, let's call this x minus 0 squared, and then we have y squared minus 6y, and I'm going to leave a big space because we know that when we complete the square, I'm going to be adding something there, right? And then that's all equal to 7. So, completing the square, for this one, what we do is we take the the coefficient of the linear term, so the negative 6 that belongs to the y, we divide it by 2, and then we square the result. So 6 over 2 is going to be negative 3 squared, which gives us 9. So we're going to add a 9 to that side of the equation. But remember, equations are like seesaws. You need to balance them out. So since we added a 9, we added some weight to the left, we have to add that same amount to the right to balance everything. So now, what do we have? We have x minus 0 squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 7, which is 16. So, what we can do with this, with these y terms, is that these now make a perfect square trinomial, right? Because when we factor this, this becomes y minus 3 times y minus 3. So we get y minus 3 squared. So replacing, we get x minus 0 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 16. And so now this looks like the formula for a circle, right? And the equation for a circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. And everything seems good. We just need to rewrite this in terms of r squared, right? So that we can accurately find the center and the radius. But that's not so bad as it turns out, because 16 is equal to 4 squared, right? So we can rewrite this as 4 squared. So now, the center is where the a comma b, right? So in this case it's going to be 0, comma 3. And the radius of our circle is equal to 4.